Hi there, Nicole Sear. We're at the Early Childhood Center in Marlborough. And this week's theme that we did for summer camp was construction and building. So I got a hold of DPW and I said, hey, would you be willing to collaborate and reinforce and solidify the skills we're teaching this week, which are big and small? So he was ecstatic to help us and brought these huge trucks for us. And we have our little trucks here. What is this, Elizabeth? Small. And what's this one? Big. It is.
Wow.
So we're just kind of allowing all the students at the ECC to be able to sit, climb, explore.
My name's Christopher White. I'm the General Foreman of the Forestry Parks and Cemetery Division for the Department of Public Works. I was approached early this week with possibly supplying a piece of equipment for Touch It Truck for the program that's held at the Freeman School here in Marlborough. In turn, I directed them to talk to Commissioner Duvall. He was very receptive and excited about the program. And what it does, it actually gets us out to show people what equipment we have and helps these kids have a hands-on feel of equipment and size according to the educational side of things, small, medium, and large. We stage the equipment in that way, from small to medium to large on this Touch It Truck, and the kids get to climb in them, touch everything, and just get an overall sense of scope with size. I had a great time. My daughter actually works here in the ECC, so I got to see her in action, which was good.
That's awesome.
Hi, I'm Jillian Regan. I'm the educational team leader here at the Early Childhood Center, and we are having our Touch a Truck Day with the kids, and it's just great to see them really being able to experience hands-on. We've been in lockdown for so long, so they've really missed out on these opportunities. So being able to provide this for them through the city is really amazing. Their smiles, their laughter, they're finding all the buttons, as you can hear, and they're having a great time. It's just really good to see, and the staff are also just enjoying seeing the happiness that the kids are also having.